When I got my first bank statement, I stared at it for 20 minutes. I did not understand one single line. ACH transfer, overdraft fee, minimum balance. I had no idea, and I was too embarrassed to call the bank and ask. If that is you right now, this video is for you. I want to show you something that changed everything for me. There is a free app called ChatGPT. You do not need any tech knowledge. You just type your question like you are texting a friend, and it explains everything in simple language. I'm going to show you exactly what I typed and what I said back. Watch this. Did you see that? It explained every single term in plain, simple language. No bank jargon, no confusing words, just like a patient friend sitting next to me. And then I asked one more question. How do I avoid this fee in future? And it gave me the exact words to say to my bank. I'm going to show you that too. Here is the template I want you to save right now. Whenever you get a document you do not understand, bank statement, rent agreement, school form, anything, open ChatGPT and type this. I received my name of the document. I do not understand some term. Please explain these words in a very simple language, like I'm hearing them for the first time. That is it. I started this channel because I know what it feels like to hold a document and not to know what to do. To be in a new situation and feel embarrassed to ask. You are not alone, and you do not have to figure out this out by yourself anymore. Subscribe. Every week I show you one simple AI trick for the daily life. No tech knowledge needed. See you in the next video.